Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another vlog, another property. So guys, you must be thinking कि इस बार RVA Property Vlogs हमें कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी दिखाएंगे, कहाँ लेके जाएंगे, which property they gonna showcase us. So for all you viewers, sorry to say, but we are not in Gurgaon, we are in Delhi. For the Delhi people, they would be happy. For the Gurgaon people, they would be like, it's okay. So in Delhi, the property that we're gonna showcase you is 150 square yard, twin double floors. So in total, it would be 300 square yard in Punjabi Bagh on Club Road, just opposite Punjabi Bagh Club. Yes, it's a prime, posh, premium floor that I'm gonna be showcasing to you guys. So let's go.
So as we move in, this is the main entrance to the second floor. You have your brick, crafty tiles, and then as you move forward, you come to the drawing and the dining area. They have left the drawing and dining, as open space. They have not given any bifurcation to give a spacious and wide feel to it. So that's a drawing. They have laid beautiful lights. Your fall ceiling is neat. That's the wardrobe or a cupboard to install your crockery, to put anything that you want. So that's your dining area, where you can set up your dining table. It can accommodate 8 to 10 people. 8 to 10 seater of your dining table. They have given a combination of gold with white, which is like really going well. And that's your dining closet, and as I said, an attached drawing room. So that's the view from the dining room. You get your 2 sets of bedroom on the second floor, and then 3 set on the third floor. So now we'll be entering room number 1. So room number 1 has a combination of blue wallpaper with white and wooden tiles. So it's a fully furnished, guys. So अगर आप देखोगे तो एक आप छोटे से बेडरूम को भी बहुत सुंदर बना सकते हो. So that's how they have done. वुडन का कॉम्बिनेशन दिया है, ब्लू वॉलपेपर, वाइट वॉल्स, normal fall ceiling. So now we are in room number 2 on the second floor. This room has a scenic wallpaper depicting flowers. Then you have your the size of the room will be around 13 by 16, because it's now this can be called a master bedroom, because you can place your couch along with the side table and your 6x6 bed. You have good space for your clothes. The closet is good enough. Then you get your LCD panel also and an attached bathroom. So that's your adjoining balcony. It's a running balcony adjoining 2 rooms in the front with the drawing room. So that's your kitchen. They have given a combination of red with brick wall tiles and white flooring tiles. So it's a fully loaded kitchen with hob, chimney, gas pipeline installed. So you get a separate staircase going to 3rd floor from the 2nd floor. You do not have a private staircase from inside the house, but yes, a separate staircase. So that's the reason it makes this house a twin floor duplex. So that's your terrace garden as soon as you step up and just before entering the 3rd floor. So now we'll be stepping in to the 3rd floor. So that's your foyer area, and we will be going in room number 3. So 2 were on the 2nd floor. This is the 3rd room on the 3rd floor, again fully furnished. They have given a different idea, taste to each and every room. If you see here, window AC is installed. That's your blind. I tried to roll it up. LCD panel. So they have installed a temple room in the wardrobe in the foyer. Again white tiles. Now we'll enter the drawing room on the 3rd floor. They have just provided 2 huge king size chairs. See, again, the design of the false ceiling is different from any other design you will find in all the other rooms. The wallpaper along with the tiles. So every room has a different taste. So let's walk in to the balcony on the 3rd floor. Again a running balcony adjoining 2 rooms and the drawing room in between. So let's move forward and step into room number 4. That's your attached bathroom in front of you, and this is room number 4. All the washrooms and bathrooms are under renovation. That's the reason I'm not showing you in this video. That will be available for view in person. Again, aluminium glass door, fully furnished with bed, wardrobe, AC installed. This room has a taste of peach along with beige and dark brown. Room number 4, we'll be moving and stepping into room number 5, the last of the 5 rooms. So this room is right across the room number 4, and it has wooden tiles, white beautiful bed set. You get your white closet, a 5-door white closet. That's your kitchen set on the 3rd floor. You get a kitchen downstairs as well as upstairs. Fully loaded, newly renovated hob, chimney, cupboards, everything.
So that's it. I gave you a view of the layout, the interiors of the property. As I told you in the starting, 2 floors, 2nd floor, 3rd floor combined. Yeah, there is no staircase that goes from inside the floor towards the upper floor. The staircase is outside, and it's 150 plus 150, 300 square yard property with roof, and 2 BHK on the 2nd floor and 3 BHK on the 3rd floor. So combined 5 BHK that you get. So this floor is on the club road, main club road. So the access to Ring Road is just 2 minutes from here. 2 मिनट में आपको रिंग रोड का एक्सेस मिल जाता है एंड इट्स ऑन द प्राइम लोकेशन इन पंजाबी बाग। फॉर मोर डिटेल्स कॉन्टैक्ट ऑन द नंबर गिवन बिलो। डू सब्सक्राइब, डू लाइक, डू स्टे इन टच। मैं आपको क्यों बोलता हूँ कि सब्सक्राइब करो, बिकॉज हम जितनी भी वीडियोस आपको बना के भेजते रहेंगे, हम अपलोड करते रहेंगे, सो यू हैव अ ट्रैक। आपको पता चल जाएगा कि यस, यू नो, नाउ अ नेक्स्ट व्लॉग इज अप। सो डू स्टे विद अस अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, साइनिंग ऑफ।